Can you beat a supercar with £15,000? Well, that Subaru over there we bought for £4 and we have upgraded it to try and beat that Murcielago. Today is the final episode and we're going to race both on our circuit to see which is quickest. Let's go.
Over the last 6 months, we've fitted an uprated clutch, a set of coilovers, some sticky semi-slicks, stripped 136 kilos of weight, upgraded the brakes, fitted stiffer anti-roll bars, and then finally we pushed the car from 196 horsepower to 304. That means we've spent just £9,065 of our budget, including the car.
We were well under budget, but it's now time to put it against a Lamborghini one more time to figure out if we should have splashed the cash a bit more.
Oh, that's rapid! Get an oversteer!
While the Murcielago was being unloaded, Will revealed that he had a bit of a soft spot for this car that we've spent 6 months trying to beat.
If there was one car that I could own, money no object, it would be that one right there. And now I'm kind of questioning whether I care that the Subaru loses.
What is it about this Lambo in particular that you love so much?
Doors go up. That's a key
Are you
part.
7?
Yes, absolutely. Doors go up and it's got a V12.
It makes a big noise and the doors go up.
That's pretty much it, yeah. And it looks pointy. Sold.
But guys, it all comes down to this, all of your months and months of work.
I put my childhood dreams to one side as Scott took the Murcielago out onto the track to get it warmed up.
You can feel the car wobble when you get on the throttle. It goes, whum, whum.
Scott is going to go out and gently warm up the Lambo, get the tyres warm, make sure we're fair with that. We're going to do the same with the Subaru after. We're being as scientific as we possibly can be here. We were a bit worried today. It hasn't rained at all, but it's December, right? It's the UK, and so the track in places is ever so slightly greasy, but it's mostly dry. This is the best we can do, but what we've done is get both cars here, so it's completely fair, and we're going to do a lap on both.
Now, of course, we would love to do this in a completely dry, warm environment so that it was a completely fair test against the first time that we lapped these cars. But if we do that, we're going to have to wait for another 4 months, 5 months until it gets at least a little bit warm in the UK. We don't want to do that. I know you guys don't want to do that.
While Scott was out warming up the Murcielago, we remembered something.
So we asked you a couple of episodes ago to name the Subaru, and the Bananaroo was the name that got chosen. Yeah. So that is now what it is called.
Honourable mention to Rumblebee, quite like that, but
like
it wasn't popular with everyone else.
Okay, Scott, focus now. Will and Callum have been working on the car for months and months now. I know that this is going to mean a lot to them.
Oh, I'm nervous.
I'm nervous too.
3, 2, 1, go!
Light it up! God, it's fast. This car is fast.
Sounds insane!
Just to get it out there, I am 100% erect.
Oh no!
Scott had initiated his concentration phase and he was on it.
Oh, it's slippery today. You can really feel that it's December. This thing is so lively. Oh, delicate. Come on, bring it through. Off we go then. Oh, a bit of understeer there on the way out.
It's that big lardy Lambo. What he needs to do is take all the seats out.
We know a thing or two about making a car faster.
Oh, come on, Lambo! And there we go. Oh, this car. God, that was part terrifying, part absolute joy. My God, I'm actually shaking. Around here, it's quite bumpy, it's narrow, you make a mistake, you go in the wall. It's patchy with the weather, it's 4 degrees. This Lamborghini's Italian, as we all know, it doesn't like these conditions. Did you see it coming off the top corner?
Yeah.
Like the first time that happened, I had my heart in my mouth. There's nothing left on the table there. That is as fast as I can go in that car.
So 116.7 before, back in the summer.
In the dry, yeah.
Yeah, in the dry. 124.13.
That's surprising that it's quite significant. I didn't expect it to be that much slower, to be honest with you, but I mean, look at that, it's freezing cold, right?
Will went and got the Subaru, but I remembered that we have some important news for you.
There is one thing we need to do. Some lawyers have told us we're not allowed to use the name Driven anymore. It's very sad. A podcast has the name. So we are now called Overdrive. Get ready for that in a couple of weeks. The whole change will happen on the channel. It's still us, don't worry. We haven't been bought or anything, but it does mean we have to peel this off. Oh no.
It might be better after Scott's been out.
Oh yeah, we'll let Scott warm it up. I was hoping that would be a big, significant moment. Go on then.
Oh, this is so much better. I mean, I actually went and picked this car up when we bought it, when it had a slipping clutch. It is a very different car now.
You
Right.
like it?
It's good. Night and day. Want to go?
Yeah, I want to go.
Sounds better. It looks better from this distance.
This thing is so direct. It's so stiff. The tyres are starting to come in now, so it's got plenty of grip. Oh my God, it is so good. And the power. It will spin all four wheels back there. Oh, I like that very much.
It's so much better.
Oh yeah.
Can we just appreciate how much this car has changed? The coilovers, stiffer anti-roll bars and sticky tyres have transformed this car from a wallowy mess into an agile race car. It sounds better, it stops better and it corners flatter. The extreme weight saving plus our 100 horsepower increase means it absolutely flies as well.
Am I ready?
I think so.
Okay, I'm gonna taste it.
Yeah.
I'm beyond confident now, I think.
Yeah. I think the Lambo's gonna be quicker.
Before Scott had even got going, we could tell he was starting to really like the Subaru.
I like the new pops
Yeah.
and the bangs.
Pop, 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 pop.
I feel like a right yobbo. Yeah! It's faster. It is a lot faster. Bloody hell. Oh my God. What a rocket.
After one quick lap, it's safe to say Scott was impressed.
Oh my God. it's just everything. It's got more grip than the Lambo.
Come on.
The Lambo
let's
feels
go.
so heavy compared to this.
Can we end it there? We don't need a time.
It's time. It's time.
The Subaru had shocked Scott. Now it was finally time to find out if all our blood, sweat and tears were really worth it. One lap to beat the Lamborghini.
Okay, you good?
Here we go.
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, go on! Go, Subaru, go!
Oh, what a start. That was a good start. We take some more cup. Whoa, that was a bit quick in there. Whoa, absolute rally car. Jesus.
Oh, that's rapid. Get an oversteer.
Get it turned. Oh, God, the balance is good. Bit of understeer here.
Go, Subaru! So it's this bit of the straight where it'll struggle on the Lambo. Later on the brakes from the Lambo.
There's not very many words to say other than this is quick. It's a bit of a ragged lap, but sometimes in these conditions, you need that. You've got to push it hard.
Go on, go, go!
I think it's going to be quicker. Unbelievable.
We're at 110 now, and he's at the
Come
bottom.
on. It's all in this straight.
Yeah. Go, 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 go!
Everything. Let's
Go!
Stop the count.
Woo!
That's got to be quicker. Surely.
Go on!
We didn't even spend all the budget.
Yeah, we've got 6 grand left. Mate.
We're on holiday. Good night.
He's done it!
This is what we do.
We are performance tuners, engineers.
Oh,
He
that's
knows.
sad.
He knows.
I think they're trying to look upset at the moment. Go on then, give me the news.
What did you think?
This feels a lot faster than the Lambo, but it's also more raw. No sound deadening, big exhaust.
Yeah.
You know, everything's rattling around. It's kind of like a race car. You can hear everything. So inherently, it just feels faster.
So the Lambo is 124.13. Okay. Subaru 121.
No!
0.36. 3 seconds.
Unbelievable.
Just under 3 seconds faster. I was watching you come around the bottom corner. I was like, oh my God, we've done it. We've done it.
So, congratulations, lads.
Yes.
That's unbelievable. Well done.
And genuinely, we still have £6,000 left. We didn't know today. We didn't know whether these tyres were going to be okay and whether it was actually going to do it. And we didn't know if we were going to have to go away and spend a whole chunk of money on way more power.
Well done, lads. That is genuinely very, very impressive.
And donut, I've been through what, 2 of these?
It turns out that you can't beat a supercar for £15,000, but you can do it for less than £10,000. That's the end of this series, so thank you so much for watching. If you're here for the first time, make sure you go back and watch how we got to this point. I guess now we need to figure out what we need to do for season 2.
Honda?